Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, we will continue South America. Okay, I had started this chapter in my previous video. So today once again I would like to just recapitulate. I discussed about the physical divisions, that is four physical divisions are there: Western Coastal Strip, Western Mountain, Central Plains, Eastern Highland. And so we discussed about the Western Coastal Strip. You can see over here, this is the Western Coastal Strip. You have to mark this place in the map. Then Western Mountain, I am in between the Western Mountain, the Andes Mountain. You can see the pencil that I am moving. Okay, this is the Andes Mountain or the Western Mountain system. Then the Central Plain, you can see over here the Central Plain. Okay, and the Eastern Highland, this Brazilian highland is called the Eastern Highland. Okay, and so we discussed up to here. I discussed about some active volcanoes that are found: Ojos de Salvador, Chimborazo, and Cotopaxi. And I asked you to mark these places. I hope you have marked. This is the Cotopaxi. You can see. This is Chimborazo. This small triangle you can see over here. This is the Cotopaxi. Okay. Then Ojos de Salvador. Let me find out where. Yes. Okay. Ojos de Salvador. These are active volcanoes. Okay. So now let me continue. So Altiplano, an enormous plateau located at an altitude of over 3,700 miles. So Altiplano is a plateau. Okay, it is the name of a plateau. Enormous, very big, and at a very height. Okay, altitude of over 3,700 miles above sea level. Contains the highest lake. Okay, the highest lake in South America, Lake Titicaca. Okay, so let's find out where is Lake Titicaca in the map. You have to mark. You can see this Lake Titicaca. Okay, can you locate? Yes, Lake Titicaca, this one. This is located in Altiplano Plateau. Okay, over here you can see Bolivian Plateau is here, Altiplano Plateau is here, and it is one of the highest lake. Okay, Lake Titicaca. Mark it in your map. Then after that, the entire region is prone to earthquake and is volcanic in nature, and it is a part of what is called the Pacific Ring of Fire. So this whole area, okay, this whole area is prone to earthquake because it is in Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire is the place which is in the coastal area of Pacific Ocean. Wherever this Pacific Ocean is there, and the coastal area, that is called the Pacific Ring of Fire, and it is very prone to earthquake and volcanoes. Okay, that is why this area is very prone to earthquake. Have you understood? Good. Now we go to the third physical feature, the central plain. The central plain is also known as central lowland. Okay, so central plain is also known as central lowland and are found between the eastern highland and the Andes mountain, and consist of three river basins which drain into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so let's see where is the central plain, where it is located. Okay, so uh, where is central plain located? Central plain you can see over here. This is the central plain. It is located in between the eastern highland. The Brazilian highland is also called the eastern highland. It is located in the east, so it is called eastern highland. And the western mountain, that is the Andes mountain. So in between the Andes mountain and the Brazilian highland, this central plain is located, and it is a lowland area. Many important rivers flow in the central lowland. You can see the Amazon river, Amazon basin, then Paraguay, Parna, and Uruguay. These are the three important rivers: Paraguay, Parna, and Uruguay. Okay, so we will see now. So three river consist of three river basins which drain into the Atlantic Ocean: the Orinoco basin, the Amazon basin, and the River Plate basin. Okay, so first we will see the Orinoco basin. The Orinoco basin is the north in the north is drained by the Orinoco River, which has its source in the Guiana Highland. Okay, let's see. Where is Guiana Highland? This is the Guiana Highland. Can you see? Yes, this is the Guiana Highland, and you can see this is the Orinoco River. Okay, Orinoco River. So Orinoco River originates from this area, Guiana Highland, and one branch also comes from the Andes, and both the river then finally go and enters the Atlantic Ocean. Over here you can see Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so did you understand where is the Orinoco Basin? Yes, this area is called the Orinoco Basin. So the Orinoco Basin in the north is drained by the Orinoco River, which has its source in the Guiana Highland. It flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The Orinoco crosses the Llanos Plains of Venezuela. It is a navigable river. Okay, Orinoco is a navigable river. Navigable river means it can be used as a means of transport for carrying goods, okay, by boat or by ship. So it is a navigable river. Then llanos are tropical grassland plains found in South America. Okay, so llanos are tropical grassland in the tropical area which is found in South America. Its basin is covered with tropical grassland called llanos, which means plain. Okay, so what did we understand over here? That Orinoco Orinoco is the river which flow in the Venezuelan plain, and it is a navigable river. Llanos is the name of the tropical grassland that grow over there. Then the second is the Amazon basin. Okay, so Amazon basin is drained by the largest and second longest river in the world after Nile. So this is the second longest river and largest in terms of volume of water. Okay, it carries more water than any other river. So it carries the maximum water, largest volume of water. Then the Amazon River and its hundreds of tributaries. Okay, so River Amazon have got hundreds of tributaries. Tributaries, you know, they are small streams or rivers that join the main river. The Amazon originates from Peru. Peru is a country. Okay, where does the river Amazon originates? In Peru. It is the largest rivers in terms of the volume of water it carries. Just now I was telling you about that it carries the maximum volume of water. Then smaller ships can travel all the way to Iquitos in Peru. Okay, so it is navigable in some part, and so a small ship can travel up to Iquitos in Peru. The basin of the Amazon is an area of rainforest called selvas. Okay, so the rainforest of Amazon is called selvas, containing hardwood mahogany tree. Mahogany tree you must have seen in our school. Plenty of mahogany trees are there near the playground. Okay, so let's see where is this Amazon basin. Yes, Amazon basin is over here. You can see from where it originates from the Andes in the Peru, and it finally flow in this direction and joins the Atlantic Ocean. This Amazon basin is found in the equatorial region, and the forest Amazon basin, it is called selvas. Okay, you can see selvas. Okay, so all these places you have to mark in your map. And today we will be discussing up to here, up to Amazon basin, and then in the next class I will continue from here. Okay, till then, thank you, take care, bye.